Okay, I'm trying this again. I forgot to turn up the volume. I turned my Bluetooth off. I have it on airplane, no disturbances, no ringing or anything. And let's see if this is better. Volume's on high. Mic is right under my chin. This is going to be a test, and I'm going to share some stuff that I picked up while I was out thrifting. Just some jewelry. Hard to find anything anymore unless you're interested in just costume stuff. So we'll start off with some costume stuff. I bought 2 of these, and I have to tell you why. Not realizing when I bought them, I just saw them for what they were. They were $3.99 each. They were half off. They go by colors. These are J. Crew. I actually picked them up because I wanted to fix a bracelet that I have. This one, they got wet and it's kind of, stones are kind of yucky, so I thought I would replace it because I like wearing this one. And I realized it's a Stella and Dot and I can just buy a new one. So I won't be doing that. But I do have these. They're pretty. If I get it untangled. They're sparkly. 2 of the same thing, because I was thinking I'd have one as a bracelet and one as a necklace. But even the settings are different. This just has 6 prongs and this has like 18. Or something like that. Probably 16. So, but I like them. I was excited to get them. I got them for like $2 each. So, every girl's got to have a clear rhinestone something. And I bought this. This was also, these were all half off. And I know not too many people like this necklace, right? I don't know why. I already have one, this one, and I swear, every time I wear it, I get compliments. So I grabbed another one. Yep, and here's my cat to say hello. I don't know if it's the colors or the sparkle or what, but every time I wear it, people are always like, oh, I love your necklace. And so do I. So now I have 2. I can put them together or wear them separate, and I like them. I don't know what brand they are. They both have different colors. So this one was $1.50 that I picked up. So I'm not gonna complain. I love it. That's all that matters, right? Now these were like a lucky day. This says $3. I'm gonna take this off of here. I grabbed it because I saw rhinestones, and it's a strawberry, and it's cute. So, $1.50. Look at that. Can you see that? Is my lighting just that bad? Always. They're like a garnet-colored rhinestones, but it has a signature on it. Let me hook this. Or try to. Here we go. It's so cute. It says Marcelle, Marselle. And I did look it up because I peeked to see if it had a name. And I found a bunch of these listed for like $20. So, not bad. It's cute, needs cleaning, doesn't everything, but it's a little strawberry. I thought it was adorable. Another one I picked up that same day. These three I picked up the same day. $4. I got it for $2. And if you know, you know. Can you see that? That's right, it's a Swarovski. Swarovski. It's gold, rose gold. And it's in red crystals. It's so sparkly. And I looked up this one because I thought, there's no way. This must be a crappy one. But I've seen prices anywhere from $65 to $85. So it was like score because I paid $2. $2. And this one caught my eye for the blue rhinestones and realized $1.50. It's a 10 karat gold chain. It says right there. My hands are shaky today, but you know, $1.50. I was picking it up for this, didn't even notice the chain because I was thinking I was going to make something with it. Looks like it was an earring that they converted, but you know, it was a good deal. Even when I went up to pay for it, the lady at the register was kind of ticked because she saw the chain. I've been going through my storage. I'm going to show you some of the stuff I picked up in my storage. These black enameled. This one is a set. I do have the back, and I'm going to resolder it. Copper. I don't think it has a signature or anything on it. But I found those to be interesting. There's a lot of people that like black. So, sweater clip, rainbows, rainbow pastel colors. I've sold these sweater clips. There's a lot of women I notice, because I go on TikTok a lot, that like to dress from the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and they buy these and clip them on. So to their little cardigans. So never think that it's not worth selling. And for some reason I have these little turtles. This one's got blue stone. This one's some kind of jasper. I'm guessing bumblebee. So I used to have a setup where I sold jewelry and what do you call them? When I think of it, I'll let you know. Sarongs. I sold lots of them. Found these, West Germany. As you can tell, they always have the same style, but these are purple. They say West Germany. They're in excellent shape. Pearls are good. You can either have them looking at each other or not. Yeah, same place I bought these. I bought this ring for $5, marked down. It's huge. I can't wear it. I'm kind of bummed. When I cleaned it, I realized this is a handmade ring. Not very well, but it's a lot of silver. And it looks like they tried to do enameling, but they didn't do that good of a job. And it's got a center amethyst. But I think it's like a size 8. 8.5. Almost a 9. Which is why I can't wear it. But I couldn't beat $5. So I don't know if anybody wears that size. Art Deco Revival earrings. These are in my storage. No name or anything. They're pretty. This. I didn't do this, but somebody did. Sterling silver chain. It is marked. They added, I don't know if that's real turquoise or not, but it's definitely not how I do loops. I will probably take it off. And it looks like there was something else hanging on here. I don't know. I just like bought stuff and then didn't know what to do with it. Let's see. An old 1928. Doesn't look like 1928, does it? But it's 1928. Just laying in with a bunch of stuff. One of these. I think I have a couple of these now. 1/20 of 10 karat. I like this stuff. And next one I'm going to show you. This is Norwegian, or maybe yeah, it's Norway. This was given to one of my girls, and I put it away because they kept losing it. But it says right on the back, 925 sterling in Norway. I'll probably give it to my granddaughter. Little blue butterfly. Let her mom be in charge of it. And I found another Norwegian necklace. This one's enameled. I looked up the mark. I'm not going to be able to remember how to say the name. I'll put it in the comments. But it's Norwegian enameling. This was given to me when I was younger. Chain's also sterling. I used to get a lot of jewelry from my Aunt Lily, my Tanta Lily. And she would always send jewelry. Yeah, this chain was in there. I don't know what to do when you get these little chains in jars and stuff. I just basically throw them in my silver scrap because I don't know what else to do with them. Oh, and I'm going to show you a necklace I made. Yes, it's got the snakes on it. It's copper. This was just a pendant that I got in a jar. Capri. This is black and copper. And added copper chain. And I liked these beads because they almost matched the color of the center. Really hard to find something like that, but I think it's super cool. And I've worn it. How many of you have these? Because I ran across all these pendants that I bought to put on these. Oh, and there's little tiny coral earrings in here too, I guess. Jewels by Trifari. Never noticed that. This is sterling silver. These are all sterling silver. I also sold these. So you would wear it like that. You would not put these on a tiny chain because the bails are big. I'm not a tiny chain person. I have a habit of breaking and losing my pendants, so I don't wear any tiny chains. This is about as small as I go. Box chains. And here's another one with amber. It's really crazy. I bought these like 2000. And they've been stuck away. Oh, this one doesn't want to go on here. But they're all sterling. This one will have to go in a different type. Here's another. These are turquoise. Here is rose gold, or not rose gold, rose stone and garnet. It's pretty. Very pretty. Here's something bigger and bolder. It's got 4 pearls, and this is obsidian. Of course, I have a green stone because that's my birthstone. So I have a peridot. And this one is amber and lapis. Hope I'm not going too fast. But it's pretty too. I know my lighting's not good. There's nothing I can do about it. I don't have credit cards. I paid off my credit cards in 2000, and I won't get any credit cards unless I can pay off whatever I charge in the same month. This is just all garnets. Look how sparkly. Can I get the light on that right? It's just very, very sparkly. I love garnets. So was that it? I think that was it. But yeah, all these. I used to have a whole bunch of them. Like, I would buy like 50 of them and then sell them. And then I pulled out ones that I liked personally. So, what else do I have here? Oh, this was something else I found. These are just loose cabs. All different sizes. And when I get to that point where I sell off all this jewelry and could make my own rutilated smoky, all kinds of stuff in here. Of course, you get a lot of amethyst. Lots of amethyst. There's some lapis. I don't know what that is. There's some moonstones. I think these are, they're not jade. I wouldn't buy jade. Turquoise. This is turquoise too. And I got a lot of different moonstones, different type of moonstones. Oops. Iolite. Look at all this. All this fun stuff I can't wait to play with. Those could be made into earrings. But yeah. I still have more boxes and stuff to go through in my storage. It's crazy. I found 4 totes with shells, because I used to sell shells too. Okay, I saw one bounce over there. All kinds of shells. I even have a horseshoe crab skeleton, I guess. That's what you would call it when they're deceased. Puffer fish. Found ya. All kinds of stuff. Starfish. Starfish from the Bahamas are different than other starfish. All kinds of shells. Lots and lots of them. So, that's it. I did clean some of the stuff that I got in this jar. Let's move you. Some of them didn't want to clean. This one is so covered in makeup. I ran it through my cleaner several times. I scrubbed it. Kind of bummed. I kind of liked it. This one came out clean. I like it. This one came out clean. I didn't do all of them. This one was a pain too. In fact, the bicones still have makeup on them. I can't get it off. I have soaked, scrubbed everything, and it won't come off. Anything else in here I cleaned? Nope, I think that's it. So there, 21 minutes of just testing to see if maybe the Bluetooth was a problem. Otherwise, I can't help it if the sound isn't up. I can just, I guess, quit making videos till I win the lottery. And when I win the lottery, I will buy new lighting and buy a microphone and buy a camera and buy a house. Anyways, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, there's something else. I found this in my storage too. This is Sherman. No, it doesn't say Sherman. It says Hayward. 1/20th 12K gold filled. I looked these up and I didn't see any with the black on it, but the black's pretty worn on here. So I don't know if this is even worth listing. It's like a little belt. They're pretty pricey if you get one of these in just the gold color, gold tone. I didn't clean this because I'm not sure what to do. Anything else sitting here that I missed? And nope, that's it. So let me know if you can hear me better this way. Like I said, if you can't, I don't know what to tell you. This is the best I can do other than screaming, and I'm not going to scream. So I'm not very good, I guess, at projecting my voice. Oh, another interesting fact about the turtles. I don't know if you know this, but the indigenous American, Indian, whatever you want to call them, call our continent Turtle Island because it's shaped like a turtle. So that's why I had these. Turtle Island. So, yep. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Tell me if this worked out better. I'm wearing one of my favorite bracelets and a stretchy. So, that's it. Stay blessed. You know, leave me a comment. Nobody ever comments, so the only comments I get are, you know, like 2 or 3. So, besides Marcia, she's usually pretty good at commenting. And Granny. So, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.